Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are creating this lovely earring. Let me give you a little close-up right here. Look how cute is that. It's dangling and it has a flower and I have an agate stone. This is like a teardrop and I put it upside down with a gold detail, and I have a little gold bead right here, like a little crystal, faceted crystal. So I thought this would be something fun and easy to create. So I'm going to zoom in so we can get started. You're gonna need some round nose pliers, some wire cutters, and chain nose pliers to put everything in place, some ear wire. I have a head pin, but you can use an eye pin. I didn't have an eye pin at this time, so this is what I'm using. And this is my little faceted crystal right there, my little flower to dangle from it, but you can do any variation with it, and my agate stone. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this flat end from my head pin because I need to create a loop. So let me cut that off. There we go. And then I'm going to bend this to where I have maybe a 1/4 of an inch there. And then I want to create a loop. And there's my loop, and that's where my little flower is going to hang from. And then from here I'm just going to put my little crystal right there, and then I'm going to put my agate upside down. So you can do it this way or you can do it this way, whichever you prefer. I mean, I think any which way it's going to look pretty, but I thought going from big to small, it's going to look pretty for me. I think that's what's going to do it. And then I'm going to bend this right here without breaking the stone. That's why I'm using my pliers, so I don't want to break anything. And I think this is a little bit too long, so I'm going to just cut that off a little bit. There we go. With my round nose pliers, I'm just going to create another loop. These are super simple earrings to create that I think anybody can do. There is my loop right there. So I think it's just easy to create. It's an easy, fast project. It takes less than 5 minutes to do. So I'm going to put my ear wire through here. But you know what? I have to separate that a little bit better. There we go. Put it in there. Close it back in. Make it straight, and then I'm going to turn this piece around and I'm going to open the opposite side, and I'm going to put my flower in there. Oh my goodness, what's up with me? I can't open these right. There we go. And I'm going to close this. My loop is closed again. I want to make sure it's straight. And there's my earring. Look at this. This is so cute, super simple and easy. And I think that agate just makes a huge difference on the actual earring. These little flowers are so adorable. I just couldn't pass them up. And they have somewhat of the same color as the agate. So I thought that would be just so pretty with the gold detail in the bead. Easy, simple, and quick projects for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, God bless.